Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me. If you are new here, I would just like to take a moment to say thank you for joining us. And if you have been with us before, then welcome back. We are so glad that you decided to join us again. Today we are going to learn some very basic but essential English phrases that can help you to describe how you are feeling in different situations. So let's get started. The first situation is when you meet someone after a long time, or you meet them for the first time and you want to talk to them. What do you say? You can say, "Hi, it's nice to meet you." This is a very common and simple phrase that we use when we meet someone for the first time and we want to be polite. You can also say, "It's good to see you again." When you meet someone after a long time, when you haven't seen them for a long time, you can use this sentence. For example, you can say, "Oh, it's good to see you again. How have you been?" This is a very natural and polite thing to say. Number 2, when you want to say hello to your friends or how are you doing, you can say, "Hey, what's up?" This is a very informal way to say hello to your friends. It's like, "Hi, what's up?" or "How are you doing?" This is a very, very common phrase. Mostly young people use this phrase. Okay, next one. When someone asks you, "How are you?" or "How are you doing?" and you want to give a simple answer, you can say, "I'm doing well," or "I'm doing great," or you can say, "I'm good." These are all correct answers. But when you want to be a little bit more friendly, you can say, "I'm fantastic. How about you?" This is also a very polite and friendly way to respond to someone who asks you, "How are you?" Okay, next one. When someone asks you, "How are you?" and you want to complain about something or you want to tell them that you are not feeling quite well, you can say, "I'm not feeling great today. I have a headache." This is another polite way to tell someone that, "Hey, I'm not feeling quite well." And then you can explain why you are in a bad mood or why you are not feeling well. Next one, when you want to tell someone that you feel tired, you can say, "I feel tired," or "I am tired." But if you want to be a little bit more polite, you can say, "I feel a bit tired," or "I am a bit tired." Let me give you an example. When you work long hours and when you come back home, you can say to your family members, "I'm a bit tired. I'm going to go and rest now." This is a very polite and natural way to tell them that you are tired. And the last one, when you are happy or you feel very positive about something, you can say, "I feel great," or "I feel fantastic." This is another way to express yourself when you are in a good mood. So these are some very basic sentences that you can use when you want to describe how you are feeling. As you know, there are many other ways to say that. But today we learned some very basic and essential ones. We hope that you liked this lesson. Please let us know in the comments below what you think, and if you found this useful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.